Okay, y'all, I'm going to take you with me a little ways on my way to work this morning. So you can see how beautiful my drive is and how beautiful this land is. There's no cars behind me. And I am watching where I'm going. I am not looking at my phone. So, anyway, I wanted to remind y'all to stay tuned for the Yantones. Okay, we think we have a name. We think we're going to call it Keeping It Simple with the Yantones. But I don't know if people will know that that's cooking. I don't know. You guys can vote. Maybe we'll have a contest and you guys can vote on, ooh, car. Maybe you guys can vote on what the name should be. Okay? Maybe I'll give you a few of our choices and then we'll vote to see which one's the best. Pick mine, pick mine. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Switch of a finger. Okay, so I am on 24 and heading into Delaware, getting ready to turn onto Kilbourne, and this is my first day back to work in like 2 weeks, and we have a staff meeting today, which we only have one quarterly, so woohoo for me. All right, guys, I'll keep you posted. Talk to you soon. Love you, bye.